We are a manufacturer of critical cleaning products. We've been solving challenging cleaning applications for over 70 years. Our mission is simple. We meet the global critical cleaning needs of scientists and engineers with high-quality detergents and expert technical support. Support is something we truly pride ourselves on. It's the engine of both our growth and ability to build strong partnerships with our dealers and end users alike. What sets Alconox Incorporated apart is our dedication to cleaning and only cleaning. We manufacture and sell critical cleaning products and nothing else. Our products range from acidic to neutral to alkaline, low and higher foaming, powder and liquid concentrates, phosphate and phosphate-free. We stand at the ready for any critical cleaning challenge, any surface, any cleaning mechanism, and any residue combination. Critical cleaning is defined as when the level of cleaning directly impacts the value of the final product. We work closely with labs and processing in industries ranging from biopharma, medical device, healthcare, electronics, solar, food, nuclear, optics, cannabis, and cosmetics. As new tablet coatings or cosmetic bases or metals come into use, if one of our products cannot provide an acceptable level of cleanliness, Alconox R&D scientists work to develop the next great critical cleaning detergent. We can simulate clean in place, soaking, and ultrasonic cleaning mechanisms. So by the time your project is ready for pilot scale trials, we're confident that you will receive the level of performance you require and that Alconox is known for. Alconox products are sold across the US and in over 50 countries around the world. We'll help make your process more than just clean, we'll help make it critically clean.